I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go run up. Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go run up. Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go run up. Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go run up. Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. I'm about to go run up.
Anyway, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys my foundation routine. If you guys are interested in seeing how I got this lovely look, please keep on watching. Yeah, so much. Please don't forget to click that subscribe button. It'll show me that you guys love the video and that you guys want to support me and keep watching more stuff that I bring to you guys. So you might as well just click it, because you know you're gonna watch my next video too. Just make your life easier that way, you know? So it's right there. I'll give you a minute. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump right in. I did my eyebrows off camera. If you're interested in that, I do have an eyebrow tutorial that I just posted, I believe, last week. So you guys can watch that. I'll link it above. So first we're gonna use my LA Pro Girl primer. I'm gonna rub that all over my face. It has more of like a silicone-y base, which is good for the pores because it helps smooth it out a little bit. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline 24-Hour Super Stay. I'm in the color 356 Warm Coconut. I love this foundation. I feel like it's a dupe for Fenty. If you guys love Fenty, you will love this foundation. I used my M439 brush from Morphe to blend that out. And I try to stay more so in the center of my face. And then I work my way out. I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go run up. Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go run up. Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. Poppy smokes. My head's up in the clouds, only the loud, the sound be on surround. Now run it up, put it down. Do what I say or you sit down. Get on the ground. Your money don't talk, boy, it don't even got out now. My pockets be screaming like they gonna shout. I'm not with the feeling you. Next, for the deeper parts of my skin, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 360. I'm gonna go more on the outer sides of my face to balance out the skin tone, because the outer corners of my face are a little bit darker than the center, so it balances out a little bit better. When you gonna learn from mistakes and reflections? Boy, I will make it, I will not regret this. That's no boss with that lethal injection. To blend out my face a little bit better, I go in with my Morphe E8 brush just to blend out the face a little bit better in those tighter little areas, just to make it a little bit more seamless. You guys don't have to do this part. If you use a beauty blender, that works perfectly fine as well. Next I'm going in with my concealers. I'm just showing you all three that I have in my collection, from high end to low end. Tarte Shape Tape, my NARS my NARS concealer, and my LA Pro Girl concealer. They go from high end to low end. The NARS is like $30 something. The NARS one is $30 something as well, and the LA Pro Girl is like $1 something. So to highlight my face, I do my cheeks, my chin, and the center of my nose. I don't really do my forehead like that when I'm just doing an everyday look, so yeah. So I go back in with the Morphe E8 brush just to do like the more tighter areas, because obviously a bigger brush won't fit on my nose, so, and blend it out correctly, so yeah. So I go back in with my foundation brush to just blend out my concealer, because I feel like it just gives a better seamless look, because it still has a little bit of your foundation on there, so it just blends all together much better. Then I go back in with the Morphe E8 brush for those tighter corners once again, and I keep blending. Blending is your best friend when it comes to this, guys. Blending is your best friend, I promise you. Now I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. Now, This powder is like freaking Laura Mercier, but drugstore version. I promise you that too. I'm gonna go in with my, sorry, I'm looking for the brush, for my Morphe 437 brush, and I'm just using that to lightly put that into my skin first, just to push it in so that it blends better, so that it looks more seamless, it doesn't get cakey. Trust me, ladies, you do not want to look cakey, because then your makeup doesn't look natural and doesn't look good, period. And we all want to look good and natural. So hey, I got you, sis. I got you. So to set my foundation and my concealer, I go on my cheeks, I go on the smile lines of my mouth because I have a really big smile, and my sides of my nose a little bit because I get oilier there. Next I go in with my Maybelline setting powder after I bake that for a minute, and then I just use the powder, this powder to wipe it away. Now I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion palette. You guys know this is a staple for me, so I really don't have to go in and really explain this much to you guys. You know, I just use this to contour my face like all the time, so yeah.
Make them run, I would scream. Money schemes, not the way it seems. True religion, no, not my jeans. Dirty jers in them garden trees. Only smoking on the stolen leaf. Super chat boy, remember me. Super smoker like I'm Wiz Khalifa. Yeah, I'm the king, boy, they crying me. I'm about to go run up.
Now I'm going in with my Ofra blush. Ooh, can't speak. Ofra blush. A nice like little neutral color for like an everyday. The blush, I go like across the nose to add some more color, some depth. I try to smile a little bit so I know exactly where to hit my cheekbones, and then I work my way up from there towards the hairline. And you do that on both sides. Yeah, until you get the color that you want. Boom.
My pockets be screaming like they gonna shout. I'm not with the fiend and you getting shut out. My bro's always working for food in the house. My mom steady working, the struggle is real. She working too.
And to set my face, I'm using my NYX NYX, however you want to say it, Dewy Finish Volume Lasting Setting Spray. That's a really long title. Do that, fan myself a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with Auntie Jackie's highlight from Artist Couture, LeBron's. We love this stuff. Yes, we do, honey. We love this highlight. Auntie Jackie knew what she was doing, honey. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. If you're not 100% sure how to highlight, I do have a video on that as well. I'll link that above for you. Yes, sis. I got you. I got your back.
Boy, you know it's a hold up. Don't make me pick my gun up. I'm about to go run up. I'm about to go take the cash. About to pick my gun up. Taking over now, this my trap. Hating on me, gon' get you whacked. I'm the poppy with the artifacts. All the war, all with the pen. Something like a little autograph. Now give me your stash or give me your work. Before LOS, he gon' go berserk. Last king of my dying breed. Play the block like I'm playing D. Put in work like I'm Fergie G. Did the draft and I made the team. You ain't make it, I took your cheese. Chase reality, you chase your dreams. Make them run, I would scream. Money schemes, not the way it seems. True religion, no, not my jeans. Dirty jers in the
I'm going in with my NYX NYX lingerie lip. Yeah. It's in the color Beauty Mark. And then I go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Kristen on top of that to make a nice little custom nudish lip for you. And we all finished, ladies. Alright. Now, if you like what I made, leave a comment. And I'm going to talk you guys out. Don't forget to click that like button. Please leave me a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys enjoyed from the video, what you guys learned, if you learned anything at all. If you want to tell me what your favorite foundation is, just please, if you want to tell me what you ate for breakfast this morning, please leave me a comment below. Get some interaction going on between us, because we're friends. We're family here. We're family here. There's no judgments. No judgments. So yeah, I love you guys. I can't wait to show you guys the next video. And I will see you guys soon. Love you. See you soon.
No one will stop me, not even to ask me.